I call this ultimate tripper. First, I need one spectator to choose one card. Choose one card. This one? Okay. Show the card. Okay. Put it here. Take one more card. This one? Okay. Show the card to the camera. Okay. Now I try to shuffle the card. Shuffle the card. And now I shuffle the card face up and face down. Like this. Okay. Now some cards face up and some cards face down. Okay, now I need the first selected card. This one. Do like this. Now we find all the cards face down. All the face down cards. Yes, here we have all the face down cards, and here all the face up cards. And we have King of Hearts, Queen of Hearts, Jack, 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. And only one card failed. It's your card. Okay, now the second selected card. Now we have all the spades in new deck order. All the spades. King, Jack, 10, 8, 9, 5, 7, 4, 3, 2, and 8. All the spades is here. Now we shuffle the card again. And now we have all the diamonds in new card order and all the clubs in new deck order. This is Ultimate Tripper. Thank you.